In a peaceful Omaha neighborhood, a modest house stands as a symbol of simpler times. Young Warren, barely 6, is absorbed in his world of numbers and nascent business ideas. He picks up pebbles, counting each one with intense focus. Lost in thought, he arranges the pebbles, already strategizing his next venture. His small hands move with a purpose beyond his years, hinting at the financial giant he will become. In the Buffett household, the family gathers around their simple, wooden dinner table as sunlight fills the room. Howard, with a serious demeanor, declares, "The stock market presents opportunities, even in these trying times." Layla, her face radiating kindness, counters Howard's optimism with a gentle reminder. "Howard, that may be true, but we must also remember the value of a penny saved." The interplay of light and shadow accentuates the emotional depth of their exchange. Before the antiquated grocery store, Warren's eyes gleam with the spark of a budding entrepreneur. He carefully counts out coins, his small hands working to buy the Coca-Cola. He purchases a 6-pack of Coca-Cola for 25 cents. The weight of the glass bottles feels substantial in his grasp, a tangible reward for his efforts. In the quiet of his room, Warren is absorbed in the adult world of finance. Under the soft glow of a desk lamp, Warren pores over stock market reports, his brow furrowed in deep thought. His young mind grapples with complex data, each page turns a step deeper into his financial calculations. After careful deliberation, Warren's eyes light up with confidence. A decision made. With a decisive hand, Warren confidently circles 3 shares of Citi Service preferred stock. His choice is made, a future financier's first step into the world of high finance. The ticker tape machine rattles incessantly, a mechanical heartbeat in the bustling office. Warren, brow slick with sweat, watches the ticker tape intently, his foot tapping nervously against the floor. He sees a flicker of green as the stock price inches upward, and he sells. The stock continues its ascent, leaving Warren in silent regret. Regret washes over him as the stock continues to climb. A valuable lesson about patience learned this day. In the bustling streets of 1940's Omaha, a young Warren navigates the sidewalks, his entrepreneurial spirit shining through. Warren moves swiftly between barbershops and local businesses, always seeking the next opportunity. With a determined look, Warren Teen places a pinball machine inside a barbershop, expanding his business ventures. Warren is selling gum with a bright smile, demonstrating his salesmanship and charisma. Warren delivers newspapers with youthful energy, his ambition evident in every step. In the dim light of his room, Warren sits hunched over his desk, a picture of youthful diligence. The lamplight casts long shadows as Warren concentrates, meticulously filing his first tax return. His brow is furrowed in deep concentration, reflecting an early grasp of financial responsibility. Every careful stroke of the file underscores Warren's commitment to his task. The small wooden desk becomes Warren's domain as he tackles the adult task with serious intent. Warren's dedication shines through as he meticulously works, shadowed by the weight of responsibility. In a classroom filled with eager minds, Warren stands out, a 16-year-old amidst a sea of older faces. An air of unease surrounds him as he fidgets, a storm of youthful energy barely contained beneath a guise of attentiveness. Want to dive deeper into Warren Buffett's life? Listen to the full audiobook now. Tap the link in bio. His eyes betray a sense of disconnect, hinting at a mind wandering far beyond the confines of the Wharton School. Despite his best efforts to blend in, Warren's restless spirit yearns for something more, something beyond the ordinary. In the heart of the University of Nebraska, Warren sits in the lecture hall, his thirst for knowledge evident. His previous unease fades, replaced by a quiet confidence. Yet, a lingering desire for the practical world of business flickers in his eyes. His mind wanders, contemplating the blend of academic learning and real-world application. In the heart of Columbia Business School, Warren sits, utterly consumed by Benjamin Graham's lecture. Graham, a beacon of knowledge, passionately elucidates the tenets of value investing to his captivated students. Graham's voice fills the room, resonating with conviction. We must assess companies based on their intrinsic value, not fleeting market trends. Warren hangs on to every word, his mind racing with the possibilities of Graham's teachings. The classroom buzzes with intellectual energy as Graham ignites a spark in his students. In the sun-drenched office of Graham Newman Corporation in 1954, youthful ambition meets seasoned experience. Warren sits across from Benjamin, his eyes reflecting an eagerness to learn. Dust motes dance in the air, illuminated by the sunlight. As Benjamin shares his wisdom, Warren's pen moves furiously across the page, capturing every nuance of Benjamin's complex investment strategy. Benjamin explains, his voice calm and measured, guiding Warren through the intricacies of the market. Warren listens intently, absorbing Benjamin's every word, his mind racing with possibilities. In 1956 Omaha, a young Warren arrives, his gaze reflecting unwavering ambition. His eyes gleam with determination as he steps onto the streets of Omaha. The air crackles with the promise of new beginnings. As Warren returns to Omaha, he is here to forge his destiny, establishing his own investment partnership. Warren surveys the landscape, ready to seize the opportunities that await. In the dimly lit office, Warren hunches over a mahogany desk, his figure a silhouette against the soft glow of a solitary lamp. Papers scatter the desk, a testament to Warren's meticulous analysis of potential investments. His brow furrows in concentration as he meticulously crafts his business plan, each calculation a step towards his ambition. The lamp casts a warm glow on the mahogany surface, highlighting the gravity of Warren's endeavor. In the quiet of the night, Warren persists, driven by a relentless pursuit of success. In 1962, the Berkshire Hathaway textile mill bustles with antiquated machinery. Cotton dust hangs heavy in the air, mingling with the rhythmic clatter of the machines. Warren adult, in his mid-30s, observes the scene with a calculating gaze. Warren contemplates his investment strategy amidst the organized chaos. The Berkshire Hathaway boardroom sits in shadow, heavy drapes blocking the sun. Warren, mid-30s, sits across from the current management team, his gaze sharp and intense. The air is thick with tension as Warren faces off against the management team. Papers are scattered across the mahogany table, evidence of a fierce debate. Warren's intense demeanor hints at the challenge brewing within the boardroom's dimly lit confines. The weight of the negotiation hangs heavy, each party entrenched in their position. In the heart of the National Indemnity Office, Warren sits at his desk. With a flourish, Warren signs the final acquisition papers. The stroke of his pen seals the deal, a satisfied smirk playing on his lips. The muted sounds of typewriters and distant phones fill the air. Inside the Berkshire Hathaway headquarters, Warren Buffett, a titan in the making, is deeply engrossed in financial reports. His eyes dart across the pages, quickly spotting companies with enduring brands and sustainable competitive advantages. The room is filled with the quiet intensity of a mind at work, carefully dissecting the anatomy of business. Each page turned is a step toward building an empire, one shrewd decision at a time. In this moment, Warren is not just reading numbers. He is envisioning the future. His focus is unwavering, his determination palpable, as he lays the foundation for a legacy of financial acumen. In the vibrant heart of the Coca-Cola bottling plant, the air buzzes with the sounds and scents of production. Warren observes the rhythmic dance of machinery filling the iconic glass bottles. He watches as the bottles are meticulously packaged, a symphony of efficiency unfolding before him. Amidst the clatter and sweet aroma, a profound conviction begins to take root within Warren. Warren pauses, his gaze fixed on the bustling activity around him. In the Berkshire Hathaway office, sunlight illuminates the room as Warren leans back in his chair, a mischievous glint in his eye. "Charlie, we've circled the wagons on this before. Cheap is good. It's in our blood." Charlie gestures emphatically, countering with a sharp intellect. "Warren, my friend, times are changing," Warren argues. "But the margin of safety, we lose that edge. We're gambling, not investing." Charlie counters with an example. "Think of See's Candies, Warren. Not cheap, but a wonderful business. A fortress worth every penny." In the bustling McDonald's of the 1990s, Warren sits, a solitary figure amidst the lunchtime rush. The golden arches cast a warm glow upon his unassuming face, a mask of simple contentment. He savors each bite, lost in a moment of quiet satisfaction. The restaurant's clamor fades away, leaving only the quiet hum of his inner peace. Here, amidst the ordinary, sits a titan of industry, finding solace in the simple pleasures. Warren drives his basic car, a symbol of his frugality. The car moves along the street, its simplicity a stark contrast to the extravagance often associated with wealth. He arrives at his modest Omaha home, a testament to his understated lifestyle. The house stands quietly, reflecting the unpretentious values of its owner. Warren exits the car, his movements deliberate and unhurried. He walks toward the house, embodying a life of purpose over display. In the packed auditorium, Warren takes the stage, ready to meet the expectant crowd. A sea of faces awaits his words, buzzing with anticipation for the annual Berkshire Hathaway meeting. Warren adjusts his glasses, a playful twinkle dancing in his eyes. The room crackles with energy as the legendary investor prepares to speak. Warren pauses, gathering his thoughts before addressing the eager audience. A moment of quiet anticipation hangs in the air as Warren prepares to share his wisdom. In the glaring lights of the news studio, Warren Sr. stands poised at the podium, a picture of unwavering confidence. Cameras flash incessantly, capturing his every expression, his every gesture. The air crackles with anticipation, the weight of his impending announcement palpable. Warren declares, "Today, I am announcing my decision to donate the majority of my fortune to philanthropy." His words hang in the air, promising to ripple through the world, changing lives and destinies. A hush falls over the studio as the magnitude of Warren's generosity begins to sink in. In a brightly lit meeting room, Warren and Bill stand together, their shared vision palpable. Sunlight bathes the room, illuminating the eager faces of those gathered. Warren and Bill launch the Giving Pledge, a historic moment that would inspire other billionaires to commit to giving away at least half their wealth. A pledge is launched, poised to echo through generations of philanthropy. In the heart of Berkshire Hathaway, Warren is surrounded by a fortress of books and financial reports, his presence a symbol of enduring wisdom, his brow furrowed in deep concentration. Warren remains absorbed in his reading, a testament to his unwavering commitment. The office exudes a timeless charm, a reflection of Warren's steadfast principles and dedication to his life's work. In his nonagenarian years, Warren Sr. continues to embody focus and determination, a beacon of unwavering resolve.